CSCopilot AI just dropped. And if you're even thinking about trying it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one has some surprising strengths and a couple of hidden catches. So stick with me. You can try CSCopilot AI completely free right now from the first link below. I'll tell you who it's perfect for, what it actually does better than most, and what to watch out for, especially if you're using AI for content, coding, or customer support. Let's get into it. First off, CSCopilot AI isn't trying to be another generic ChatGPT clone. It's built specifically for customer support automation, and it nails that focus. If you run a business or manage customer conversations, this is where things get interesting. It plugs into your knowledge base, past support chats, and company docs. And from there, it generates smart, real-time replies your support team can use or automate. You're not getting a random AI guess. You're getting context-aware, brand-aligned answers. Second, the setup is impressively fast. Most AI tools need hours of training or manual input. CSCopilot just asks for your help docs or links to them, and within minutes, it's ready. You don't need to touch a line of code. That's a big win for solo founders or small teams with no devs. Now here's the kicker. CSCopilot AI is trained to learn and improve with every conversation. It actively refines itself by tracking how agents edit or use its responses. Over time, your replies get sharper, more accurate, and even better aligned with your tone of voice. That's something most AI tools just don't offer out of the box. Also, this isn't just about efficiency, it's about consistency. If your team struggles with keeping replies on brand, CSCopilot keeps everyone in sync. Same tone, same structure, same policies. It's like having your best support rep duplicated and available 24/7. One thing that surprised me, it integrates natively with Intercom, Zendesk, and even Slack. That makes it seamless to deploy in real-world workflows. If you're already using tools like those, CSCopilot becomes an instant upgrade without having to change how your team works. Now, the pricing. Right now, there's a generous free trial, and depending on your usage, the paid plans are actually reasonable for what you get. But here's a tip. Try it while it's still new. Tools like this often raise prices fast once the buzz builds. And again, that free trial link is below. But, and here's where you need to pay attention, CSCopilot works best if you already have a decent amount of support content or product documentation. If you don't, its answers can feel generic. So before you go all in, make sure you've got the basics covered or start building your knowledge base as you go. Stick around for this last point. CSCopilot AI has a roadmap full of features that could make it a must-have. They're adding voice support, real-time analytics, and multi-language capabilities soon. That means getting in now could give you early access to some seriously powerful tools before everyone else floods in. So, should you try CSCopilot AI? If you run a business, handle customer support, or want to automate repetitive replies with real context, yes, it's one of the smartest, support-focused AIs I've tested this year. And remember, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommended ones, all with free trials, in the description below. If CSCopilot isn't the perfect fit, one of those definitely will be. Try it for free, see what it can do, and don't sleep on this one.